Hi, welcome to the session. My name is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. On what sum of money will be the difference between compound and the simple interest for 2 years equal to rupees 25, and the interest of both the compound and simple interest is 5% per annum. Let x be the sum of money given time t equal to 2 years and the interest rate r equal to 5%, which is 5 by 100. So the compound interest becomes x into 1 plus r power t minus x. So Ci compound interest equals to x into 1 plus 5 by 100, here t is 2, so whole square minus x. So we'll get 100 plus 5 divided by 100 whole square minus x. So compound interest equals to x into 105 divided by 100 whole square minus x. So 105 whole square equal to 11,025 divided by 100 whole square is equal to 10,000 into x minus x. So this is the compound interest. Now find the simple interest form. Simple interest equals to x into rt. Here r is 5 by 100 and t is 2. So x into 5 by 100 into 2. So simple interest equals to 10 by 100, which is x by 10. So simple interest form is x by 10. So we got both simple and compound interest, and difference between the compound and simple interest is rupees 25 in 2 years. So the difference of compound interest and simple interest equals to Ci minus Si equals to 11025 divided by 10,000 x minus x minus 10 by x by 10 equals to 0. Now take LCD equal to 25 because the difference is equal to 25 rupees. So now take LCD and simplify this. So see here LCD is 10,000. So we'll get 11,025x minus 10,000x minus, we have x by 10, so 1000x whole divided by 10,000x, sorry 10,000 equals to 25. So if we move this 10,000 to right hand side, we'll get 25,000. So if we subtract 10,000 and 1000 from 11,025, we'll get 25x. So 25x divided by 10,000 equal to 25. So 25 cancels out. So x is equal to 10,000. ₹10,000. So we can conclude that the sum is 10,000 rupees. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.